All right, we're at Welch-Dickey trailhead here. It's my first time trying this hike. One of the most popular hikes in the White Mountains, but it's a weekday in May, so it doesn't look too crowded yet. The no parking signs on the road went back for about a full mile, so I can imagine how busy it gets on a summer day. It is mud season, but the reports from here have been pretty good, so let's go check it out. Well, that must be where we're going. Beautiful. Time to get going on some ledges. Looks a lot steeper in person than it does on the video, but I think it's going to be fine. Beautiful alpine vegetation. I love it. First summit, windy and beautiful and clear. Video okay? Uh-oh. Well, this is fun. More ledges on the way down. Moderately scary little ledge here. I'm gonna stay far away from it. A lot of blowdowns. Nothing we can't work around. I made it back at the beginning. I'm pausing at a rest stop on the way home now. That was an awesome hike on an awesome day. Very challenging walking up the big rock slabs, but nothing I wasn't fine handling with my hiking boots. There were some people on the trail in sneakers who were struggling a little bit more, so make sure you have nice solid boots if you head to Welch-Dickey. But it was a beautiful day. Talked to some nice people. It took me about 3 hours with stops to chat and snack and enjoy the views. But yeah, I recommend that hike to anyone. Have a great day.